Okay, that was a long series of videos that are talking about the old age related sicknesses. That 6 pillars we have, and that those 6 pillars, the first one is immune defense, and then there is musculoskeletal health, there is cardiovascular health, and also there is cognitive health, and also there is energy maintenance. You need these things to make sure that you fight against age-old related sicknesses. And then the sixth one I want to talk about is metabolic health. Just make sure that nobody is eating right now, but let's talk metabolic health. I want to talk about the gut which begins from where the food enters all the way to where the food goes out. That is the gut. And people will always say, I have a gut feeling. A gut is a discovery, a great discovery of late, of what we call the microbiome. From the mouth all the way out, we have bacteria that is living there, which is about 75 trillion, almost 200 trillion. Now that's a universe of bacteria that lives there. These bacteria, I want to think that it is the one that decides how long we live. That 75 trillion bacteria that lives in us, that life is waiting for you to feed it, which means that you can feed the disease or you can feed health. You need to feed good bacteria and you need to starve bad bacteria. And what is facilitating that, because of the days that we live in, a beautiful discovery. Once again, Restorlyf. Once again, Resverstrol. The metabolic health is very good for longevity when you use Restorlyf, Resverstrol. This is helping to balance the bacteria inside to behave, to work not against you but for you. You can read a lot about the gut. You can read a lot, but the metabolic health, it helps because this is what is going to help you. Now, the last part, which I said, make sure that no one is eating right now. God did not design us to use toilet paper. When you eat this, you will discover that. Because when you eat this for the first time, you will notice that there was no need for toilet paper after all. I will leave it there, but your gut, when you say good gut feeling, metabolic health, let's have good metabolic health. Let me leave it there. Goodbye.